In this video, I'm going to be showing all of you guys how to use Alibaba to do your product research. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are on the Alibaba website, and if you don't know what this is the #1 place to find your suppliers when you find a good product. We're going to be coming back here later. I'm going to be showing you how to use this website a little bit more to find a supplier. But right now, I'm going to be showing you kind of how to use Alibaba to our advantage for product research. So don't worry about the supplier thing. We'll get into that later. We're just using this for product research right now. So make sure you go to alibaba.com. Once again, in the resources, I'm going to have it linked for you so it's easy. And now we're going to come to the home page. So we are on the home page, and you're going to see it's going to show on the left-hand side all these different categories. So home and garden, office and school supplies. Make sure that the category you're clicking on right now is ungated unless it was gated and you qualified for the ungating by Amazon. So now we're going to click on a category that is ungated. So we're going to go home and garden because it's first. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to see more detailed things in this category. So you could either do home decor, and we're going to go garden supplies. All right, so this is going to show you all the top suppliers for garden supplies, and they're all selling very well for these items. So just like Jungle Scout, think of it in the same way as Jungle Scout. This is going to show you all the suppliers who are selling a certain item and it's selling very well. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be good for us to sell, but we're going to look more into it, and this could possibly find you a lot of good items. Not as good as Jungle Scout, but it could be all right. So we could see right off the bat, a few things aren't going to work, like this. Car parking shade, this looks way too big. There's no way we could do that with the shipping costs. So make sure you're using the same criteria to make sure that it's going to be even worth looking into. We can look this up, a garden hose, 1-inch garden hose. So once again, we're going to take the broadest keyword, which I think is going to be this whole title, and we're going to go over to Amazon.com. We're going to go type it in. So 1-inch garden hose right here. And then we're going to see, make sure they're all about the same kind of thing. And they kind of are a little bit. So we're going to use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. We're going to run it. And we're going to do exactly the same thing as basically doing the product research on the Jungle Scout web app. So we're going to look at the first 12. We're going to look at the sales, the reviews. And already I could see that this keyword is probably not very good. I'm going to get rid of the 1-inch because I'm not getting that many sales. So, all right, so now it's just garden hose. This is going to be way too competitive. I'm already going to know that, but whatever. I'm just kind of showing you how it works. So sales, we can see sales are amazing. They're in the thousands. A lot of them are in the thousands. And then reviews, they're also in the thousands. So you can see the average is 942. The average sales is 1,000. There's no way you can compete with 942 as the average reviews. And then the sales are great, but we just can't compete with this. So that is not a good item to sell, but that's basically how it works. It's the same thing as Jungle Scout. So I'll just go through and try to find one more just to make sure you guys know how to do this. Once again, a shovel is going to be way too big. There's no way we can afford the shipping costs. Camping hammock, well, just like the garden hose, probably too competitive. Definitely too competitive, actually. Shovel, don't know about that. Probably too big. And you're just going to go through and type in whatever you see that could work. What is this? I don't know what that is. Okay, what is this? Stainless steel handle kitchen. I don't know about that either. And you're just going to click through and just look, and if anything pops out to you or looks like it meets the criteria, then look it up. So this looks like it could work. It's small, it looks light. Pressure sprayer, 1.5 liter pressure sprayer. How about we just type that in and see what happens. So okay, so we're going to scroll through, make sure they all look the same. They all do, so that's good. We're going to go run our Chrome extension like always, and it's going to be the same exact concept of what I taught you guys before. So we're going to look at the first 12 listings. We're going to look at the first 12 listing sales and reviews. So once again, I can already tell you the average monthly sales are 91. Remember, we're looking for about 300 to 350 or more. So this is not going to work, but the reviews look good. They're all about on average 25, so that's good, but it just definitely does not have these sales, and only the first guy is making a decent amount of money, which isn't even that much, and the rest are just not selling anything. So clearly this is not a very good title. It's not very broad, or these items just aren't selling very well at all. So how about we just put pressure sprayer and see how that goes. This could work. So let's check the Chrome extension again. Once again, I think this isn't not the best title, but whatever. Just to show you guys how it works. Okay, so 3,000, that's good. Okay, way too many reviews, 1,000, 4,000. So once again, the average reviews is way too high, and then the sales are above what we want, but the reviews just cancel all of this out. So this is not a good product either. You're just gonna have to keep going back and forth, just like Jungle Scout, and seeing if anything works. So this could be something too, trigger sprayer for a bottle or something. So basically that's how the whole concept works. It's not hard at all, just like Jungle Scout, but a different website. So that's the end of this video. This is just another thing to add to your belt, like I keep saying. And if you are having trouble with the Jungle Scout product research, this could be a good alternative. And I'm also going to show you a few more alternatives that can keep you busy if you're having a hard time. So I will see you guys in the next video.